Hey, this is Annie Dickerson with Goodegg Investments. Ready to talk real estate? Let's get cracking. Hey everyone, Annie here, and today is a super exciting day because I have with me the first box of our new Investing for Good books. This is a moment that Julie and I have been envisioning and thinking about for a long, long time. So, are you ready? All right, here we go. Okay, I'm excited. Look at that. I got to tell you, it's kind of surreal to be holding in your hands something that you've created and have spent so much time on. And oh my gosh, I can't even believe it. It's a hardcover book. It looks beautiful. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, I'm so thrilled. We're proud to have so many great testimonials about this book, including from Kevin Harrington, original shark on the hit TV show Shark Tank. He says, Annie and Julie are an inspiration. Their passion for helping people build wealth while also making an impact is unparalleled. And from Joe Theismann, legendary NFL world champion quarterback and featured in the hit movie Blindside. If you've been looking for a way to work less, spend more time with your family, and live your best life, look no further than Annie and Julie and the strategies they teach. And so many others, but I'll call out one more from Brian Tracy. He's the best-selling author of the book Psychology of Achievement. This powerful, practical book is loaded with ideas and strategies to help you become wealthy. The principles they teach made me a millionaire many times over. So, in this book is called Investing for Good, the Surprising Strategy for Building Wealth While Also Making an Impact. And this is what Julie and I and we at Goodegg Investments are super passionate about, is helping people to understand all about this strategy, passive investing through real estate syndications. And as you can tell, this is not a thick book, and we designed it purposely that way because we don't want you to have to sit down and read a dictionary. We wanted you to be able to sit down and get all the information you need with no fluff in a single short airplane ride or a couple of sittings with a cup of coffee. You'll see, we put a lot of infographics and charts and even some exercises inside the book. It's made to be very easy to read. So even if you have no real estate investing experience or even very little investing experience, period, you can pick up this book and I guarantee that you'll get something out of it and you won't be intimidated. That's exactly what we wrote it for. So we are still giving away free copies of the book. You just pay shipping and handling. I'm going to give you the link down below. And please order your free copy. And it comes with a free gift. So details are inside the book. Thank you so much for joining me for this momentous occasion where we took our first peek at our new book, Investing for Good.